Good morning everyone from Fantasiana. It's a little bit drizzly this morning.
Very wet.
And it was an early start because we're here with an ERS on the Big Dipper that they've got, which looks like a really cool ride that's over there.
Yeah, it's a little bit different weather than yesterday. Oh, that's easy to see, you can hear cheering in the background. To be honest, I haven't really looked at what's here, so I'm just looking forward to seeing what there is and getting on it, and hopefully the rain's not too heavy that it'll hurt my face. But there we go.
I think this is going to be a good park. I hope we get all some stuff because it's kind of chucking it down right now. I'm excited for this brown one behind us, if you can see it.
It's over there, Ted.
I'm excited because there's only 2 roller coasters here, and that means we don't have to waddle around, and we'll get to ride a lot of rides as well, not just roller coasters.
Yeah, and it's absolutely chucking it down, and we're going to have to go find out what the group's doing because we need to go get ourselves in. Anyway, see you in a bit.
You know it. You know it. You know it.
So here we are on Helios front row again. Ted stole my wing seat. You stole my wing seat. And all of us got a wing as well. And again, woo! It's about time! Woo! And then the sleigh roll! Hello! Woo! Sideways!
Schnacke, Schneckentafel. Oh nein, das war der falsche Zauberspruch. Flatterflug und ab der Zug.
That's 4 launches. So we had a really good morning ERS on Helios.
A bit windswept and wet swept.
Yeah. And what was the name of the junior coaster that we also had an ERS on as well?
Junior coaster?
Yeah, kiddie coaster.
We'll get back to you later on that.
It wasn't really a kiddie coaster, it was a family coaster. It actually had 4 launches on it, which was really cool.
Because we just arrived and had an ERS on both of them. We just you just go with it kind of thing.
And you're so busy running around trying to get an extra ride that you don't actually
It was
stop.
good. The kids loved it, and they got about 6 goes on the family, the junior one.
And that Helios is brilliant. It's a really good ride, that.
Yeah,
It's got
especially the
loads
wing
of
seat.
different elements as well, and the wing seats are brilliant. I really like the back left. I haven't done the front right or the right at the back yet.
Front left was really good. But actually, the middle at the front was really good as well. I got a bit of airtime at the middle, which I didn't get on the wing seat. So.
Just 1 second. What are you doing to your brother?
Viewers, help!
Anyway, we better get shooting off because I think we've got a behind the scenes shot.
I know you better than yourself.
So we did the drop tower. It's an ABC drop tower. It's got some cool scenes on it as well. I don't think the family liked it though. I liked it.
Warning, warning, warning. When you get to the
Kelsey doesn't like being poked in the back. I think we're going to try and head down and get the log flume. I think it's down here on the right.
No, everybody that's in the park.
I think you're right. I am going to regret wearing jeans. Oh. Go on, send us backwards. Send us backwards. Get mommy in the back. Get mommy in the back. Bye, monkey. No, he went, oh, because he got a water drop straight on top of his head.
Oh, there's a one in my back. Oh, God.
The water drop's dripping down his head, down his neck, down his back. There we go. I think that's the only drop we need.
Oh, my God. Oh, that's the phone. I'm at the phone.
What the heck is going on?
Yeah, you know it, baby. Don't bump into the ceiling.
Oh.
Oh, for goodness sake, I'm gonna try that.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Even I'm a bit scared.
Oh, no! Oh! Oh! That's got a lot of water. That was a lot of water off the side there. I may have a very, very wet leg.
I'm so glad
That's actually quite a wet ride. That's actually quite a wet ride. That is the aftermath. How do we do in the back, guys?
Yeah, fine.
Very wet face.
No, I think I'm wet enough now.
That was wet.
So again, this is a family park and you can just see the stuff that they've done here. I mean, it's great, isn't it? I love it when you see this sort of thing. There's people trying to find a beer.
We're getting it over. Oh, yeah.
Oh! I don't know.
Auf die Reise gehen.
So we've just finished over at Fantasiana. Really great park. They've treated us really well here with the ECC, haven't they?
Yes,
What was
very
your favourite
hospitable.
things here?
Helios.
Helios. Helios.
Okay, since they all said Helios, I'm going to have to come up with something else. The junior coaster, blah, 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 blah.
Salbus, something.
But yeah, really stunning place this, and it's growing leaps and bounds as well. I think that Helios is...
The two coasters they've got here are really, really nice. They're really smooth, they're really fun, and yeah, they've done a really good job.
Oh, sorry, I kind of cut you off there as I was doing it. And it's unique as well. You're not going to get Helios anywhere else. It's a unique ride, it's got a load of extra elements on it, and it's definitely worth a visit. Again, join your local coaster club because you get to do trips like this where you get treated so well and you get free time on the park.
But there's also a bunch of quirky rides here as well, like the Dracula's Castle.
Yeah.
There's the Sinbad Dark ride, which is really odd, but quite
It's
interesting.
Sinbad with a wand.
There's other little rides here. There's your old-fashioned cars. There's a monorail. There's a little train. There's all sorts to do here. Lots of fun little rides. Interesting drop tower as well. But yeah, do you have anything to say, Ted?
Well, I hated the drop tower. It poked you right in the back. And that was quite a violent poke, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Forget something.
It wasn't pleasant.
But I actually liked the drop. But
You were distracted, weren't you, by the poke in the back?
yeah. But my brother and mum didn't like it.
Behind us.
So
And Oliver, what did you think?
about what?
This park?
Oh yeah, it's a great park. I like this park. It's just not a full day park. I wouldn't spend a whole day here because there's not that many rides.
Some of you would.
Well, yeah. There's no queues.
Yeah, make those queues an hour each day longer.
Yeah.
Anyway, we better go grab the bus because we're off to another park. See you all in a bit.